We've all been there. It's a scenario that every designer dreads but inevitably faces at some point in their career. You're knee-deep in a project, fully immersed in your creative flow, and everything seems to be going according to plan. The deadline looms closer and closer, then bam! Out of nowhere, the client drops a last-minute design change that throws everything into chaos. It's enough to make you want to chuck your computer out the window, scream into a pillow, or just walk away from it all. But hold on. Before you do something drastic, let's take a moment to breathe and talk about how to handle these curveballs like a pro. Last-minute changes are a fact of life in design. Clients change their minds, new information emerges, deadlines shift, it's part of the job. It's how we adapt and overcome these challenges that defines us as professionals. Embracing flexibility, maintaining a positive attitude, and finding creative solutions are key. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to grow and improve. So the next time you're faced with a last-minute design change, take it in stride and show your true creative prowess. First things first, don't panic, take a deep breath. It's essential to center yourself before tackling any stressful situation. A moment of calm can make all the difference. Remember, freaking out won't help anyone. It clouds your judgment and makes it harder to think clearly. Staying calm allows you to approach the problem with a clear mind. In fact, it'll likely make the situation worse. Stress can be contagious, and your team or clients will pick up on it. This can escalate the problem rather than solve it. Clients pick up on our energy. They look to us for cues on how to react. If we remain composed, it reassures them that everything is under control. If you're stressed and frustrated, they will be too. This can lead to a breakdown in communication and trust, making it harder to find a solution. Instead, approach the situation with a calm and collected demeanor. Take a moment to assess the situation, gather your thoughts, and then proceed with a plan. Your ability to remain professional, even under pressure, will instill confidence in your client. They will see you as a reliable and capable partner. It shows them that you're in control and capable of handling whatever curveballs come your way. This not only helps in resolving the current issue, but also builds a stronger, more trusting relationship for the future. Once you've centered yourself, it's time to communicate with the client. And I mean really communicate. Don't just hear their words, listen to understand their needs and concerns. Why the sudden change? What are their expectations? Ask clarifying questions. Repeat back their requests to ensure you're both on the same page. This open dialogue helps build trust and avoids misunderstandings down the line. Section 4. Actionable Strategies, Managing Design Revisions Effectively. In this section, we will explore how to handle design revisions in a way that keeps your project on track and your client satisfied. Now that you understand the client's needs, it's time to evaluate the impact of the change. Start by thoroughly reviewing the feedback and identifying the key areas that need adjustment. How much time and work will this add? Consider the complexity of the changes and the resources required to implement them. Will it affect the overall project timeline? Assess whether the revisions will cause delays and how they might impact other project milestones. Be realistic in your assessment. It's crucial to provide an accurate estimate to avoid future complications. Once you have a clear picture, communicate it to the client. Clearly explain the implications of the changes, including any additional time or costs involved. If the changes are substantial, you may need to renegotiate the scope of work or the deadline. Be prepared to discuss alternative solutions or compromises. Be transparent about your process and any potential challenges. Open communication helps build trust and ensures that everyone is on the same page, leading to a more successful project outcome. Section 5. The Art of Adaptation, Embracing Change in Design. Here's the thing about design, it's an iterative process. Change is inevitable. The sooner we embrace this, the better equipped we'll be to handle it. Flexibility is key. Instead of viewing last-minute changes as obstacles, see them as opportunities. Opportunities to refine your designs, to better understand your client's vision, and to ultimately deliver a product that exceeds expectations. Section 6. Conclusion. Thrive in the face of design challenges. Dealing with last-minute design changes is never fun, but it's a reality of the job. By staying calm, communicating clearly, and being adaptable, you can navigate these challenges like a pro. Remember, it's not about avoiding challenges, it's about how we rise to meet them. So embrace the unexpected, keep your cool, and keep on designing.